Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that has Gemini access and make sure microphone and notification permissions are enabled. Once done, open the Gemini app or go to Gemini. Google.com. You don't need to set up audio hardware except basic speakers or headphones, but have sample text or a short script ready to test voices. Then locate the profile or settings icon. This is where you'll find voice and speech controls, so move directly to the voice settings to begin changing how Gemini speaks. Once in voice settings, pick a voice model that fits your need, default, conversational, or a premium neural voice, and select tone or gender options if available. Next, customize pitch and speaking rate with the sliders. Small changes produce natural results, so adjust in 5%, 10% increments. If you need precise phrasing, enter SSML or add pronunciation hints. This allows control over pauses, emphasis, and phonetic spelling. After customizing, press the preview button to hear the changes and iterate until the voice sounds right. Save your new voice settings, then run several previews using different text lengths, short prompts, long paragraphs, and conversational lines to confirm consistency and intonation. Test the voice on the target device and in real use cases to check latency, volume, and clarity. Make sure network conditions aren't affecting quality. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, update the Gemini app or browser, and retry. Alternatively, revert to the default voice and reapply custom settings step by step to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.